how much money I earned in Adobe Stock. So if you want to know about that one, you have to watch this entire video. So in this video, I'm going to show you my February 2023 earning proof of Adobe Stock. So without any late, let's start. So I'm inside my Adobe Stock dashboard. So after that, I am just clicking in the inside. After that, I am just clicking in the my statistics. Okay, so now you can see here there is a few time range, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, so I'm just selecting this one to February 28, and I'm just clicking the display statistics. So if I click here, so now you can see here I have only one sales in February 2023 in Adobe Stock. The amount was 0.66 cents. So if I click here, okay, so I'm just clicking in the downloads. Okay, so now you can see I have only one sale. Okay, and if I click in the earning, I have only 0.66 cents earning in Adobe Stock for the month of 2023 February. Thank you so much.